So how do you organize your files into your computer? Well, think of your video files like an ingredients for a recipe. Before cooking, you need to gather all your ingredients and organize them. Before importing videos into Premiere Pro, this saves you time and frustration later. Now, to keep your project organized, create a main folder in your documents or another dedicated location in your computer and name it with the date and project name, like this. Inside the folder, make a subfolder for different types of files. Number one, footage folder for your video clips, and you can create subfolders for interviews, talking heads, and B-roll videos. 2. Audio for sound with music for sound effects and mic audio. Graphics for any logos or overlays. Number 4. Photos for still images. Number 5. For documents, for scripts and notes. Number 6. Premiere files for your Adobe Premiere Pro project files. Number 7. For animation, for animated clips. Number 8, for exported for your finished videos. This way, everything is neatly organized and easy to find when you start editing.